who's tuning in on VDFM Facebook page. Anaconda.
Beautiful morning, beautiful Monday morning.
Yeah.
Another week of hustling and collecting coconuts.
Yeah. How many coconuts have you have collected?
I have just started collecting.
Okay. How many?
That will be determined on the payday.
Okay.
Right.
This week's payday won't come.
No.
Will be postponed.
Till further notice. Yeah, may ano tayo bigyan sa Rawikanda nito betul to kamaya na mata kami nagikuha.
Right.
And buku ni Ouch Paulangi show and nabe mataga to ko Sara. Pagkatal ngakin na all the students that are tuning in from the bus
right.
are heading to school this morning.
Yeah.
The hardworking parents as they head to work. Then after the weekend.
Right.
Monday is a bit difficult,
flexible.
Very difficult.
Okay.
And don't na mataka.
Yeah, right.
And baka membimbi to rengonda na lebni kakana na kanya na noa. And when we start a new day, look, always be positive.
Close up.
Mekako mondo ni no negative no pakasamo. When you wake up and you feel that your body is heavy, try and
you make it lighter. When your body is heavy.
Run to the bathroom.
Right.
Okay, what do you do when your body is heavy?
Just do star jump.
Right.
First, you drink hot water in the morning.
Right.
You drink hot water.
Where you do star jump?
Do star jump on top of the roof.
On top of the roof.
Star jump outside.
Okay.
Right.
Outside, just like Autabali, Tamaimo from Navua.
Yeah.
He always do that star jump.
Yeah.
Star jump.
In the room.
Not in the room.
Okay.
He doing on the roof. Kono apu may nitoni.
Right.
He doing on the roof. Tamay Moses from Autabali.
Kono mo nitintin ko mo batilutu.
Kawag mo tilutu. That's he doing the star jump music the sulbakatonga.
Okay, what time you always do the star jump? Because you use the Sulubakatonga, and right now the moon is half moon.
Half moon. You do the half moon, that China will come. Kalau katulad rin China na bula.
Right.
That's where the star jump. Kapag star jump, you do the star jump, press up, sit up, and whatever things that you do, you will notify yourself. Will notify.
Right.
How your muscle will be.
Evaporate.
No, will be coming to kada purini kwa kambutak sa kakambolong-bolong manengum. That's the goodness of training.
Right.
You say NDK, good morning to everybody joining this morning. It's some people they call this is a tough Monday. No, it's not a tough Monday.
Right.
It's a mental psychologist.
Yes,
right.
True.
Right. If what to ng tabakasama nakakiri.
Right.
If you think Monday
that's what they say, then we say.
Yeah. If people say it's a lazy Monday, no, it's not a lazy Monday.
Right.
Okay.
It's baka yung doon na tuku-tuku, it's like a moto.
Right.
That
Moto moa
na hotel. Mula na ka LT1 to the region, Dabs, mula na ka Dingu. Thank you very much for the joining this
Who's
morning.
the lady in the newsroom?
Which lady?
Rasika.
No, Rasika, another one. She's tuning in this morning in the Allen bus.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Belum nakatuon tuning in
How come you don't know your colleagues?
No, because I just know the face. I don't know the name. A very hard name.
Because you are forgetting her name.
Yeah.
I'm also forgetting the name.
Yeah.
How come
It's
you
like a
mark the
disease.
face?
I only mark the face.
Okay, right.
Because the face is easy to mark,
Okay,
Belum
nice.
my sister, thank you so much. She's the news reporter on our radio station of Terang.
Right.
She's tuning in this morning in the Allen bus. All the passengers of the Allen bus and the driver is Ben Tari. Belum tuning all the way from Nosori to Suba. And how was your weekend?
Before we go to the weekend, we say good morning to Adiku Ave Imbelangio Bukiwai. Bulare Adiku to all the staff of the police station joining this morning. Pita Tawake Malo Tawa Sinarusa, Miandare Mashini Bonua, Miandare. Ave Tauki Nandakeke. Ave Father Nivoi. Kenabubale. Good morning to you.
Right. How was your weekend last weekend? Where have you been?
The weekend was our weekend off.
Oh,
Yeah, I was weekend
You
off.
enjoyed your weekend off?
Because a long time.
Right.
Yeah, and it's a very good weekend.
You
for
every
me.
week weekend off.
Yeah, due to the
Punctuality.
Punctuality of the locals. Yeah,
What about the games on Friday?
Right.
which game?
What in the house?
Yeah, the Nasinu Gospel Primary School in the house.
Yeah.
The boys they participate. They love. They enjoy.
Right.
The children they are participating.
Uh-huh.
Start from because Nasinu Gospel they start from the kindi.
Right.
The kindi too they doing the in the house.
Oi.
Lovely.
Oh.
Thankful to all the teachers
Right.
for welcoming the student in the playground.
Right.
Yeah.
In the stadium, they love to play on that day.
They enjoyed themselves.
Yeah, they enjoy themselves.
Right.
The supporters from the mommy, from the
parents.
daddy,
Yeah,
from
right.
the grandpa, the grandma.
Yeah.
They were there. They doing the clapping. Thank you, my son.
Right.
Thank you, my granddaughter. Thank you, my grandson. They love.
Parents too should after the
Really?
Yeah, should also do a relay.
Sini para.
Oh, why?
Because we are looking forward to celebrate my daughter's birthday.
Right.
Oh,
So we
okay.
leave the
Right after the competition,
Yeah.
right.
So we come home, we go and
Celebrate,
How about if you wait and you tip the relay of
Right.
the parents?
Relay 3,000 meters.
Yeah, 3,000 meters.
After 1,000 meters, then you give the better.
MC ta ka na sinsu. Bill na good morning from Tombalebu na Maratay Lebu.
Right.
Good morning to the family Liti Tui and Bill
Wait, he's doing his hand like this when
Yes.
he says Tumbalebu na Martelo.
From may buna sekta 8.
Oh,
Tinay na tatabunduan to
Right.
To all the farmers out there in Lomaybuna and Waimbao,
Yeah.
all the Fiji Island and all over.
Right.
We good morning to you. And after that, they come home and I do the video utang pakiraw to nangon ni Rodidi.
Yeah.
And the tabale from nito ni Olia.
Yeah.
Lia and Moji was there and they call, hey, Puna. Where's Puna? I want to talk to Puna. Puna.
Yeah.
Kana lebu, mbera.
Video call.
The Lia.
Yeah.
Lia was calling. And I was, and when they was calling, they was like this. Mbera. And Puna was, kami sa chilo. Kasi mbero Puna. Oi! Lako mentor me bitaw. Lako mentor me bitaw. When they come, when we was there on Saturday during the lunchtime, they do one surprising. They bring the to surprise tequila on a birthday. Near to asin lang kami they never
Right.
come yesterday. So they come on Saturday
Sunday
lunchtime.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. When they come, nangonar to sala kami kira sa misota. Woti nga na musi ni cake.
English.
When after the cake
Cutting.
knifing.
Yeah, right.
Nga nga sila woti kira na cake.
Right.
They doing the roto bitaw.
Where?
Playing
The hill?
not the hill,
Oh,
the playground.
Yeah. Yeah.
They doing the playing ground, play. After that,
Yeah.
they coming in the afternoon. They enjoy because long time they never met.
Yeah, long time no see.
No see.
Right.
So we was there. I was very happy to see the kids. They enjoy what they doing.
Right.
During their racing up.
True. Right.
No.
Yeah, we also went to Atu
Dawilebu,
on
Dawilebu.
Friday in the Wilebu.
Right.
We went to pay a visit because of the bad incident that
Right.
happened last Monday.
Yeah.
His house got destroyed by fire.
Right.
And so we as a VTFM family, we had to go and take a visit to Atu Gurmundu.
Good morning to Bro Isaac Kabatana.
Right.
He's taking the student to school.
Right.
And everybody to joining this.
The Matua taxi base, Sayru Simbola, tuning all the way from Nakasi, following the queue this morning.
Right.
From Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Oh.
Bulunaka tuning in this morning in this LH114. Bulunaka, and also all the taxi drivers this morning tuning into Matua and also Jayla Timbu from Nabua Suba Nabua Bulunaka to Jayla Timbu. And Mataka.
Emma Queenie Bosara, tuning all the way from Bunisabu Loboni,
Right.
Peterotui Mateo, from Bay of Plenty.
Yeah.
Oh, Bulabinaka. Baba Isarmaya,
Yeah.
Mika Otingangori,
Yeah.
Rauzada Wirwir Banano taxi.
Hey, Bulunaka, Mako. When you see the
Bonjour from
boys
France.
running
Yeah.
in the Nasinu Gospel, Abu, and I saw the video, is a very good sprinter. Like Daddy, eh?
Yeah.
Si Rodongo.
Yeah, the matter wrong.
No, because he came first. Maybe he's got a good coach, eh?
Yeah, good coach.
Right.
Before the game, he was training at home.
Right.
Every morning, every afternoon.
Right.
Weekend, we leave the home. We're running from there right to Balelevu.
Right.
The playground in the Balelevu.
Yeah.
After that, to the multipurpose court.
Right.
From there, we're training there. I told them, if you want to win, sacrifice.
Right.
And discipline.
Diet.
True.
No diet. Aquila never died. Aquila never died. To kau ni satu kuni. Musuh nak kan tu no kau sarawan ni kau main kakak. Kau minta kan dapat diri tu.
Yeah, yesterday we were at Rewanga.
Right.
So
Weekend of Rewanga.
After lunch, we had we rested, and then in the evening,
Rest in peace.
rest in peace. And then in the evening, grog session started.
Right.
And then Esaba's older brother,
Right.
because he
Esaba older brother is my sister.
he didn't go to church.
Right.
Yeah, he didn't go to church.
Yeah.
And so they were sitting down outside, and they were mixing grog.
Right.
After that, the members from the church, they went past the house. When they went past the house, and Big Brother was a bit...
Big brother from Mugli.
Yes, Big Brother from Mugli.
Right.
From Sote. Big Brother from Sote was a bit... he was worried the church members might see him.
He didn't know that the God is watching him. He can hide here.
The smaller brother and the Tamale, Inoke, they were surprised. When suddenly, he was lying down.
In English?
Huh?
In English?
Lying down.
All of a sudden he jumped.
Yeah.
Right?
He was lying down and then like hiding from...
Right.
What happened?
But big stomach, eh? Biar bunyi tahu kau nak nonong bunyi kau nak.
Kau siang, ayo pantau ka.
Ilo reba malu. Rapas si kau nak linlu. Hey, my brother, company, you can hide, but you know you can hide from God.
Peteropi Mateo, Andre Benaka Pateo Romeo,
Right.
Batalaki no Semesa, Andre, Mika Rusi Penia si Petero.
Itu belum nak kami seti. Nah, nalo kita asal nganggur. Kau nalo kita kau untuk tukun cuci, kau untuk tukun cuci kau boleh tirtu nawe kagum mebungele. Kau serang nalo kita ya.
Meong bulare ogen ni House of Pain was na rusak lang ba men kita ya mena. Oswan tui I want them set please care. Hey. Petero Timoteo tinay Eddie indo yan rabinaka may nabuwa kaya tinay tasiri.
Bula.
Bula manakwata Miami wa Murtoberto na lewa wasa. John Kumar arapwa makito sa iyo nung buhay mbulare.
Right.
Wambulta tungay ndawara waile buesta ta kaun robe. Mbulare adiku wangare New Zealandi. Junior mwa kalau. Mbula binaka wambulta tuwe Petero ke na may matapihi. Matapihi. Buni bisabu. May lobo ni dombula bonjo may parise osantui.
Bula.
Orto talangan na weka to orto na darbo orto tiko may nabuso tiko may Israeli.
Right.
Dombula.
Wayano tika ni naiba tamin ng taro. Pungalay telebu. Wayano tika may na mataga ni kuha.
Na matukin ni pagkatawan yo genya may sote bunta kirto na nalinlut.
Wani binaka ito sana ba?
Daw binaka.
Like hat siya taga ng talay na matabi na ni kuha na ito kani.